Hello everyone, today I would like to show you our 500 watt air-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine. As we all know, most high-power laser sources are cooled by water, because water cooling can indeed bring a good cooling effect. Our goal is to provide customers with a variety of choices, coupled with the advancement of technology. So we launched China's first 500 watt air-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine. So what are the advantages of air cooling compared to water cooling? First of all, the air-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine is smaller in size, which reduces transportation costs and is more suitable for use in situations that requires frequent movement. Our machine has a compact structure and can be used with outdoor power supplies to provide customers with cleaning services outdoors. Secondly, the reduction of operating costs. Air cooling systems usually have lower energy consumption and do not require additional refrigerants and cooling water, which reduces operating costs during long-term use. In addition, it has strong environmental adaptability. The air cooling system shows better stability when the temperature changes, provides better heat dissipation performance under high load conditions, reduces dependence on water, also reduces the risk of condensation and corrosion, so it is suitable for various working environments. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual cleaning effect of this machine. The birth of the 500 watt air-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine marks that the laser cleaning industry has entered a new stage. For users, especially customers who want to buy laser cleaning machine to provide laser service, it enriches the choice of laser cleaning machines and provides a broader market. For us manufacturers, it improves our determination to deepen our roots in the field of laser cleaning. If you want to know more about this equipment, please leave a message below this video and contact us.